In this video, I'll show you how to create an avatar with Instagram. It's going to be a full guide video. So open up your Instagram, click on edit profile, click on this, click on create avatar, wait for it to open up. Once that's opened up, I'm going to use that create manual. Just click on create manually. So you can select the skin tone you want, right? So I can use, let me say I can use this. This is okay. So yeah, you can see this is it. I'm going to click on the next. I'm going to select a haircut I want to use, right? So I can use this. Select, there's a whole lot of them, so I can use them. I'm going to click on the next. Then face shape, you can select, you can find the one that is cool for you, right? So you can also adjust all this, right? And once you're done, click on the next. You're going to be able to create your own avatar here on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.